Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you check who stalks you on your Instagram. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, we can go to our Instagram, and let's suppose if I go to my stories, and on the bottom left we have the views who has looked at my story. So usually on the bottom there are some people that probably don't follow you back. So for example, let's just consider anyone. You can see that they follow me but I don't follow them back. So on the bottom usually you see those people who follow you but you don't follow them back, and also who neither they follow you nor you follow them in case you have a public account. Now I do have a public account. Right now I can see that I don't have any stalker, but that is how I could check. I could just look at the views when it's the last hour, 24 hours. Additionally, I can also add this to my highlights, and then I can see the views up to 48 hours, and then I can narrow down who was stalking me. Also, you guys must have noticed that there are some apps on the App Store that help you know what person stalks you. So, who stalks my profile? Let's just search something random. Who stalks my Instagram? So you will have all of these apps now. Now they claim that they are genuine. You can look at the downloads and the stars, the ratings. Only 1.3 thousand downloads, ratings, only 2 ratings, only 10 ratings. So you can tell that these can possibly be scam ratings, and usually these do not work. What they do is they just look at your friends list and just select one random contact and they consider them your stalker. That is how it works. So don't fall for these scams, and the only way to check your stalkers is through your stories. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.